Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the best software and things that I use. Some of the stuff I'm going to show you in this video comes with the Windows, in like Windows 7, Windows 8, almost every Windows. And some of the stuff will be in the description which you can download. This is basically, best anti-virus software and best cleaning software out there. So first I'll start with C Cleaner. Okay, so CCleaner is going to be number one. First of all, CCleaner will help you with any of this right here. See, history, anything, any junk files, through basically everything on your computer. And I will first analyze, and sometimes this takes not too long, based on like if you first got the software and this is your first time, or how long you've done it since or what was your last time using this. So now I'm done, and it shows you everything, everything from usually the highest to lowest, and basically you just run a cleaner and you clean it. But right now I'm not going to do that. Here, applications shows you all your applications and stuff like that which you could clean, and you could select what you want and do not want to have. Registry, just scan for issues. I sometimes do this, not on a regular basis, but that's basically mostly what I use is Cleaner. So the first thing is CCleaner. It will help you make your computer much faster by releasing memory and gaining memory, and making your computer just faster overall. Next, I have Advanced System Care 6, and this is the newest version, and this is actually a add-on to see how much CPU and RAM I have, and it's always there. And you might have seen it in my other videos. Basically, I have this Pro, so I have everything for it, and I recommend using this at least twice a week. You could do it Monday on Friday or something like that, and it will show you PC health. If it's really low, if it's like a yellow person not smiling, then yeah. But right now it's good. But what you do is scan, and I'll scan right now, and you can automatically repair if you wanted to just automatically repair. But if you want to review all your stuff, then I recommend not doing that. I've just gotten done with around 7 minutes and 50 seconds. I would say 7 minutes and 50 seconds. That's how long it took. So I can show you everything. Most of this is from the Chrome. From that, I don't know why that's happening, but you see all the registry errors and the privacy issues, and it will repair it in seconds. Really, some other stuff, like if you haven't defragged your system, takes very long, but repair is finished pretty easy, pretty simple. Also has tools which you can go more deeper into what you want to do. Okay, so that's that. Next, we're gonna have Malware Bytes, anti-malware, and you can download this off of CNET and have a 15-day free trial to do this. So first of all, when you see it says trial, because I don't have the actual thing, but first thing is the scanner, which I recommend a quick scan. You could do what you want though. Protection, enable all of this, and you should have your computer always checked upon. Update. I think it updates by itself once a week. All your quarantine items, logs, and all this stuff. Settings here, if you just want to look at that stuff. Pause the video if you want to. I'm not going to go really into detail. You could come here to more tools and about. So we'll just scan, and I'll pause the video. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, this is really cool about this program. I really like it for this reason. But here it says how long it took. It took about 4 minutes. So it shows all the stuff So right now I have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, nothing really, anything bad, and it will say no if no um, things were found, any malware were found, then it would tell you. But I have none, so that's about it. Then I use the exit. Okay, so what I showed you: CCleaner, Advanced System Care, 6 malware malware bytes. Okay, so next I'm going to show you, and all you have to do is search this on your computer, and you'll find it. What you need to search is Windows Defender, and just the next thing. Even though it's not Windows Defender isn't really good. I'm gonna say that out loud. If you have something better, like I don't even know, AVG, for instance, use that. I don't know why I use this. It's just necessary. It's just there. So I'm going to run a quick scan, and I will show you what happens afterward. So this one is very short. I don't know how long it took. It took about 2 minutes, and it scanned about 90,000 items, and nothing was found. Like I always find out, but if you do use this, I would say update this every week. Just look it up. Just look up updates every once in a while. And finally, last but not least, what is it called? This should be in your Windows thing. Okay, defrag. So go into settings, defrag, and optimize your drivers. This is the last thing. You can have a separate program for this if you want to. This one usually takes long if you have a HDD, if you have a SDD. Fortunately, this is going to be very fast to defrag. But defragging, what it does is I don't really know how to explain it, but it just makes your drives where you save stuff faster. I recommend doing this, just checking up, analyze every once in a week, I don't even know, once every 2 weeks, I would say, if you do a lot of reading and writing. So I'll analyze right now, because I optimized like a week ago. So I'm done optimizing, and basically it says that I do not need to fragment. Um, Even if your computer hasn't been fragmented in like way longer than it should, in like in a year or something, usually Windows will ask you to do so. If not, that's what usually happens. So this is how I make my computer faster, and I run all this. I know it's a lot of stuff, but I run this usually once a week. Well, some programs differ, but and usually keeps my computer at top notch, and it should with yours. For Mac users, you don't really have to worry too much, but that's basically what I do for Windows, because a lot of stuff happens. And even if you want, you can in Chrome go to a I don't even know. It's just there's some stuff for tracking and stuff like that for Chrome. For Internet Explorer, I don't know what they have for that. Like if they could have a antivirus in the thing, but for Chrome it's easier to do. But that's what I use. So if you have any questions, comments, and links to all these programs should be in the description, unless they're Windows programs. So that's it, guys.